Welcome back to ClearTask. If you are trying to install an app on your Android device and you keep getting the error, "App not installed as app isn't compatible with your phone," you are not alone. This usually happens due to system bugs, outdated software, or an architecture mismatch. Today, I will show you exactly how to fix it. First, open your phone settings, scroll down, and tap on Software Update. If there is a system update pending, make sure to download and install it. Next, open the Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner, tap Settings, and then tap on About, scroll down to the Play Store version and tap Update Play Store. If an update is available, it will silently install in the background. If your system is fully updated but the error remains, go back to your phone settings, tap on Apps, and find the Google Play Store. Tap on Storage, then clear both the cache and the data. This will not delete your personal apps, but it resets the store's data and often resolves compatibility glitches. If you are downloading an APK file from your browser, keep in mind that newer Android phones only support 64-bit applications. If you are trying to install an older 32-bit app, your phone will reject it and show this exact error. To fix this, always make sure you are downloading the 64-bit or ARM64 version of the APK file. Try these methods and your app should install without a problem. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to ClearTask for more simple tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.